Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 7A Deluxe Ocean View Stateroom with Navigator's Veranda. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has an okay amount of space for everyone.
And the Navigator's Veranda is going to be a partially obstructed veranda. I feel like the one on this particular room is really not that bad, and if you're looking to save a few dollars, it can be a great way to upgrade from Ocean View to Veranda without having to go all the way to the top category.
Let's go check it out.
All right, when we first come in here, over on the right-hand side, we have our closet area. There's actually 3 sections to this closet. The first one has your closet rod with a couple Disney Cruise Line robes there. There's some storage down below for your luggage, and then you have the life vests up top. And then the middle section, you're going to find your shelves. This is one of the larger storage areas here in the room. There are some life jackets in here on the top few shelves, but of course you can move those around, and then you have the safe down a little bit lower. And then the third section of our closet is additional hanging space. You've got another closet rod, more storage up top, and also down below for your luggage if you need that. And then right past the closet, you'll see we do have that connecting door to the stateroom next door. Now this room does have a split bathroom setup, so one bathroom is the toilet. So we'll check that one out first, and then we'll see the one that has the shower and tub. You can see we've got some hooks on the wall and shelves over there in the corner. Of course, the toilet's in here with your single vanity. There's some storage space down below, and you can also see that orange light. That's actually a night light that's on its own switch here in the room. It's a great feature they added on the Wish. You've got the liquid hand soap in here, and you have a few shelves on the wall right next to that lighted mirror. That other bathroom is, like I mentioned, the one with the tub and the shower in it. You've got another vanity in here that is just a single vanity, but there's some storage space down below. Got a little more counter space in here as well. The shelves on the right have some lotion and some washcloths and a makeup cloth. You got the lighted mirror there, and then your shower tub combo has a detachable shower head as the only shower head in here. You've got the H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and then the door actually swings in or out. Either way, you can push it or you can pull it. And on the back of the door to this bathroom, we also have our full-length mirror here in the room, so they do have that there. You can see as we come into the main part of the room here, we have a beautiful Sleeping Beauty mural up above the bed with the 3 fairies flying around there. And then we have our queen-size bed. This is raised up off the ground, so you have storage below for your luggage, and there is a TV down here at the foot of the bed. That is mounted flush to the wall, so you can't pull it out and angle it towards the living room or anything. And then on the foot of the bed, we have a bed runner with the Disney Wish logo on there and Disney Cruise Line logos. On the side of the bed, we have a small little nightstand with a drawer. You've got a 220 outlet and 2 USBs. You also have a little reading lamp and a regular lamp that has a tiny little Mickey head over here on the side, kind of hidden there until you turn the light on. And we also found some little Mickey heads here in the corner of the pillowcase. On the other side of the bed, we have the same setup with the nightstand, but our outlets are a little bit different. We have regular wall outlets here. We have 2 USBs and we have a USB-C. There's a curtain there to divide the room in half, and it does a pretty good job blocking out the light. On the other half of the room, you can see the additional 2 beds. The couch folds down into a twin-size bed, and above that, the upper berth pulls down as a twin-size bed as well. We've got a frame picture here on the wall of Briar Rose walking through the woods. Really pretty piece of artwork there. There's a small little table that slides underneath the couch, which is really nice. And then across from the couch, we have our storage, our little dresser area. There's a phone mounted inside this little shelf here, and you've got shelves all the way across with some storage space. You have the lighted mirror there, and then the drawer right below it is where you're going to find your papers, like your stationery, your room service ordering cards, and your postcards. The little drawer right next to that is where you're going to find the hair dryer in this room, and that plugs into the 220 outlet, which is right over here on the side. There's also a couple USBs on the 220, and then regular wall outlets, USBs, and a USB-C there. Now the drawers over here, the top one is actually a drawer, but the bottom one is a mini fridge. It's a little bit of a different change for the mini fridges here on the Disney Wish. And then we have our veranda, the Navigator's Veranda on the Wish. All the rooms are a little bit different when you get a Navigator's Veranda. You never know quite how obstructed your view is going to be, but this particular one is not bad at all. You've got a couple chairs and a table out here, a good sized veranda, plexiglass railings, and then you can see the metal here that's kind of enclosing part of our view. That is why it's a Navigator's Veranda, a 7A, a little bit cheaper than the ones that have the big open verandas that would be a typical Category 5. You do also have the connecting veranda next door. If you have that connecting room, they can open up that flap and you can have a connecting veranda all the way across if you'd like to do that. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 7A Deluxe Ocean View Stateroom with the Navigator's Veranda here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other tours. We've got most of the categories here on the Wish and a whole lot on the other Disney ships as well and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.